Yes, papatulan ko talaga. Charot. Hindi. Pero wait lang. Usapan muna natin to. Nandyan si Red. Yes, nandyan po si Pula. Anyway. The truth is, I've been trying to be professional for so long. I mean, it's easy for everyone to say that, pero you won't really understand what I've been through unless you've experienced this. Bakit sabi niyong wag? Alin ang wag? Anyway. Ano ba ito? Okay. So the truth is, sabihin ko na yung timeline para maayos nyo na at matatak nyo sa utak nyo. Sabihin ko ba yung pangalan nila? Okay. So, okay, so my ex and I broke up 2020. Yes, sinasabi niyo matagal na. But what you don't really guys know is nagkabalikan kami. And I didn't really feel to say this before kasi it's not important anymore. And ayoko ng ayoko na lang i-defend yung sarili ko before kasi it's not worth it. Pero para matapos na, yeah, kabalikan kami. And then, yun, wala akong nakakaalam. Pero 'di ba, akala ko wala kayong, I mean, akala ko alam nyo kasi nagkukumo ko before, di ba? Tapos lagi nyo ako nakuhuli nandun sa condo ng ex ko. So, I thought alam nyo, I guess not everyone knows it. Pero yeah. And then, we broke up again. She broke up with me. Baguio training camp. June. Hala, anong year yun? 2022 ba? Okay ba? Taray, alam nyo. So yeah, in June 2022. 2 years ago, yes. Oo nga pala, sabi ko, I've been trying to be professional for the last 2 years. Tama, okay. So yeah, yun yung official breakup namin. Yung nakapag-break siya sa akin. And then, I found out, alam niyo na, ang nangyari. Actually, she confirmed this. May nagsabi sa akin, this is confirmed based sa kwento niya sa iba. Nakarating sa akin. Pero, tigilan niyo na ako sa, matagal naman you guys have no idea na I've been keeping my mouth shut ever since. Kasi nga, I've been trying to be professional. And alam mo yun, at that time, kaya hindi din ako nagsasalita about it. I was so hurting inside. I was also trying to protect my team. Na kung ano parang ayoko na kasing palakihin pa kasi I know na pag nagsalita ako nung time na yun, lagi siya pag-uusapan. So, I just chose to hurt all by myself. All by myself. Hindi pala all by myself. So, nung, honestly, hindi ko nga siya nalaman agad-agad eh. Eto, ikukwento ko na lang din. Hindi ko siya nalaman agad-agad. Parang napagtigpi-tigpi. Tagpi ko lang. And they never really told me. I just found out social media then. So, you guys have no idea. It's easy for everyone to say na, yan, again, mag-move on, maging professional, bitter and all. But you have no idea the things that I do every day para lang ma-survive yung araw ko. Imagine, pagkagising ko, kailangan mag-mindset ako kasi I have to train with a good mood, ganyan, and all. And gusto ko lang din sabihin na shout out to my friends. At that time, di pa ata kami magkakilala ni Lance, no? Pero shout out to pala. Oh my gosh. Shout out to pala kasi nung time na yon, si Pula talaga yung naging sandalan ko yun noon. Okay, water break. Thank you guys for reminding me. Si Pula yung naging sandalan ko noon na imagine guys, eto no joke to. Sa Cavite nakatira si Pula. Ako sa Mandaluyong. Every day, lumuluwas yan. As in, merong 1 to 3 weeks na, nung bago pa lang, every day yan, lumuluwas para puntahan ako. Kasi, ayaw niya na mapag-isa ako. Kasi, alam niya na pag mag-isa ako, may isip ko na naman, iiyak lang ako buong araw, ganyan. So, I'm so thankful kasi nandiyan si Pula to para aliwin ako. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ka funny si Pula. So, as in, so nung time na yon, nababawasan yung naramdaman ko kasi andyan si Pula para tulungan ako. Like, sinasamahan niya ako uminom, diba? Hindi naman na tayo bata, umiinom din naman kayo. Samahan niya ako mag-party, libangin yung sarili ko. May mga times na pupunta lang kami sa BGC para mag-coffee, para lang lumanghap ng fresh air, ganyan. Anyway. Yes, lagi kami nasa sa mga laging nanonood ng stories ko. Sorry guys, nag-message si Lance. He's funnier now. Anyway, para sa mga laging nanonood ng stories ko, alam niyo na lagi kami nasa pick-up coffee. Lagi kami nasa labas niya ni Pula. Kaya kung makikita niyo yung feed ko before, puro si Pula yung feed ko nung time na yon. So yeah. So, at that time, I was trying my best to play the sport that I love. And at the same time, I am trying to move on. So,